Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Huckberry and Toyota Tacoma Circle Patch Cat. So, get this off. It's weird. Just got it out of the box. It has a stain here. Hopefully that comes out, but nice looking hat, snapback. Cool colors, really like the colors. They have the Huckberry logo here. See the tag, Huckberry logo, Toyota logo here, so official collaboration. Circle patch. Yeah, it's a patch. Really hope this comes out. That sucks. Yeah, hopefully that washes out. And it's here, Huckberry and Tacoma Circle Patch hat, off-white. Yeah, that's it. I'll let you know if the stain comes out or not. Cool. Let me know what you think of this cap in the comment section below. Hope we're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.